Gentle reassurance hook, preventing respiratory infections like pneumonia, is crucial for maintaining your quality of life as you age. While these infections are common, there are effective steps you can take to protect yourself. This video will guide you through practical strategies, from understanding your body to making lifestyle adjustments. Our aim is to empower you with knowledge and tools to stay healthy and active. Understanding pneumonia is key to prevention. Think of your lungs as a vital filtration system. They work hard to keep oxygen flowing through your body. Pneumonia disrupts this process, causing inflammation and making it difficult to breathe. For seniors, this can be particularly dangerous. Luckily, understanding how this infection occurs can help you take preventive measures effectively. Recognizing the signs early can make all the difference. Noticeable symptoms include coughing, fever, shortness of breath, and chest pain. If you experience these signs, especially after a cold, it's important to consult a healthcare professional. Early detection leads to better outcomes, and knowing your body's signals can guide you to seek care when needed. Nutrition plays a crucial role in preventing infections. A diet rich in fruits and vegetables boosts your immune system. Consider meals with high vitamin content like citrus fruits and leafy greens. They are not only nutritious but also delicious. Incorporating these foods into your daily diet helps your body fight off infections more efficiently. Safe, gentle exercises can strengthen your lungs and overall health. Activities like walking, stretching, or Tai Chi are excellent options. These exercises improve lung capacity and circulation without straining your body. Remember to start slowly and listen to your body. The key is consistency, not intensity, to maintain your respiratory health. Regular medical checkups are essential. Scheduling consistent visits with your healthcare provider ensures ongoing lung health monitoring. Ask about vaccines such as the pneumococcal and flu shots, which greatly reduce the risk of respiratory infections. Staying informed about your health status allows you to act proactively, ensuring peace of mind. Your mental and emotional well-being significantly impact your physical health. Engaging in social activities and maintaining connections with family and friends boosts your immune system and lifts your spirit. Consider joining community groups or online forums to stay connected and share experiences. A healthy mind supports a healthy body. To conclude, preventing pneumonia and respiratory infections involves understanding your body, maintaining a nutritious diet, staying active, and seeking regular medical care. Start small by integrating these steps into your daily routine. Empower yourself with the knowledge that you can control your health journey, and remember, every positive change contributes to your well-being.